All right, so just picking off where we left off in the last video, we were mid-trade and then I hit the actual day, the day that we were trading, so I couldn't look further. But so let's see what this trade did. We were on the 30. We were aiming for 2.5 with this as a target. And I think there it does hit target. And immediately it also fills this level. So now we want to either wait for a close. So let's see, reach higher. No sweep here. Okay. Good to see what these levels are close to the EQ. So oh wait, that's not correct. Close to the EQ, so expecting to go at least to the low here. Closing even lower. Nice sweep of the low. Swing formed. But it's failing to continue. And there we have another sweep. And on the 4 hour, that's increasingly going lower. There we go. That's an LGCR. So to me, that tells me, well, not much actually. Well, it does. That at least we're going here. And then this is going to tell us a lot. So now I don't, okay, immediately we close through. And then that means we're going to go here. Well, it doesn't mean we're going to go there, but this will be the line ascent. If we close through here, we are definitely going even lower. What we can do now, what I can do now is, and this is higher risk. I'm a very conservative trader. But what we can do is, let's remove this and then put on this as well. That is, mark this and look for a short within here. The higher the better. But this is higher risk because this could also just return. That's a new LGC we printed to the downside. Closing below it there as well. That goes there. This can go, and this goes here now. Filled and closed through that level. So that tells us we're definitely going lower. So at least to here. And this will be a good level to look for a trade. So within here. $30. Okay. Filled the level, did not close through. But as you can see, we're very hungry to go lower. Looked like this was just some aggregation upwards for a move downward. So this is actually the next target that I'm looking at on that bigger scale. See, aggregate up, move down quickly. Oh. All right, let's see. Spike up, sweep. What is the sweep here? This. Swing formed, then I want continuation, which we're not getting yet. Let's see. Inside bar. Okay, I'm not going to take a trade unless it's in the marked area. There, spike up, that sweeps. Sweeps even higher. Oh, excuse me. Does it sweep this? This is 9952 and this is 9955. So yes, it does sweep. That means it's sweeping into some form of liquidity there. Hello. Now let the swing form. And then we want continuation below the swing low. And there's our entry. Give it some wiggle room. And then we target 2.5. Okay, very reactive level, as you can see. Let's look at the 4 hour. We finally closed through, but we also swept this while filling all these levels. So we could go higher before we go lower, but we're not about anticipation, we're about reactionary. So still the level above is valid. Let me spend some more time here because my downfall is, my downfall is being too quick. Look, it sweeps here. So ideally, I see you go higher first before going lower. But we shall see. That's the swing formed. Then we go to the lower because we might get another entry here at the EQ. That will be ideal. Still good. That closed through again, so it's aggregating here. Let's have a look. So new LGC down, that's what we're gonna mark. Even though I think it's always interesting to observe. Like the lowest low before, first we had to breach this, which we did. But now this is still the low that we need to breach, which is still very reactive. As you can see, we breach below it and we close all the way up here. That means a lot of orders laying here, price being bought up reaches up. So it needs to go higher in order to go lower. So it can absorb all the liquidity that's laying below. So let's see. Spike up, sweep at the EQ, swing formed. Let's see, spike, sweep, swing formed. I'll just see through. That is actually. Let me put another trade on. Can have 2 trades open at the same time. 2.5, and then give it a little room to breathe. There, the trade is filled, so we have 2.5 in the pocket. Wait. 1 second. This is a 4-hour close. So now we do close below that. Not below this, but big bodied candle. Let's see. That's almost finished as well. This is still valid. That's the second level though. This is now the LGC. Is that correct? Yes, that is actually. Okay, LGCR. So ideally, what I would like to see is something in here. So above the EQ of that level. Spike up. I said above the EQ. Does this reach new highs? That is 93.02. And this is 992.95. So no. That's a 4-hour close as well. But nothing really changes. We don't reach higher here. Bum. Okay, reaching up again. So still the same thesis, nothing really has changed. Let's go to the 4-hour and just. Is this trade filled? This one fills there. Yeah, so we're still reaching for that pocket below. So this could have been another entry, but I was already no, not really actually. Well, yes, but I was already 2 trades open, so I don't take more than 2 trades at the same time. So let's see. This now is out of the question. Well, not that, but this can go. Because right now we're looking at this. And let's have a look here. That was already tested. Yeah, next level is this. And that's what we're looking right now to trade. Nope. But beautiful expansion is starting. Damn. Damn. Spike up, sweep, swing formed. LGR. Technically, that is a trade. But even though I don't really like it, still taking it. R2. That's one loss. Follow your rules, not your gut. Well, that's the biggest thing I'm struggling with. The more I trade, the more gut feeling you get about should I take this trade or not. And because this already said we went so low, we need to reach higher. But if you do that, then you can't trust your rules. And I think the basis is your rules and your system that you create. So, yeah. But we can take a loss, that's fine. It's part of the business. Let's see, spike up. Does not sweep yet. That's a sweep of the high. That's not a sweep. That's a close through. Okay, that's an LGCR. So then this is the area that we look for. And this should be here. Let's have a look. Nice spike that fills that level, does it? 84.1. 84.1 exactly on the dot. So now I would like to see a swing form, which does, and then an LGC through the low of that swing, which we don't get. Nope. So let's see how it develops. Close through that level, and it closes. What's this close? 84.1. It closes exactly on that level, which is, well, technically that's not a close. Well, it is a close through because it is on the exact same level. So now this goes, and now I wait until I see a close here or a return. To be honest, not looking too pretty here. If we take this, okay. If we take this, all right. Yeah, now I'm just waiting. Oh, what do we do? I think we're at current price, right? Yes, this is the current active candle. So we close through. All right, perfect. That's the end then of today. Currently the thesis is something like, no, not an arrow, this. We closed here, so we're gonna get either something like, so it could be we go somewhere here and close through. I mean, fill the level or not, but aggregate within this area and then go lower, fill this. Or what could happen is we close through, somewhat retest it and go higher. So time will tell. We'll wait and see. And yeah, thank you for watching.